Hi, I'm Don from DonDronesOn. Today I'm going for a hike in the Jack Pine Barrens. Get this right. If not, there'll be words down below. The Jack Pine Barrens Conservation Area near Kaladar. It's quite interesting, quite remote. I've just headed off up a big hill. Got another one coming up. It's like a little valley and then it goes up. This is like going across corduroy, I imagine, because of all the granite ridges that run through this area. Very interesting. There's raptors of some kind circling above me, waiting for me to trip and fall, I imagine. Then I'll peck my eyes out. I just heard something weird over there. Actually, if you look down this way, this is the hydro corridor. You can see hydro lines. Hydro corridor runs straight down there, and I'll be going in the opposite direction, but get a better view of what kind of terrain it is. Beautiful. That's what I just traversed. Not as hard as it looks, because you can kind of follow those little escalator tracks there and make your way up. Oh my! Hadn't turned around yet. Why, there's a pond and some oh, it looks like a heron has taken off over there. I'm not sure if you can see it. Okay, I am literally up to my waist in grass. Oh. How am I going to get back, you say? Well, that's a very good question. But I think the hydro lines, electricity will be my savior. That's my story. This is what I'm walking in. Just twigs and underbrush. It's not too hard to walk. There seems to be paths, probably where the bears go. He says as if foreshadowing. What the hell is that? What poops white chalk? I can see more pond over there. I don't know how far it goes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop the drone up, see if I can figure out what in the heck I got myself into here. So I just did a little drone flight. Fantastic views, but man, it's, first of all, it's hot in the sun. I've just stepped out, so I'm not totally dark, and very rugged terrain. So I'm just going to go that way and check out a little pond, and I'll get you some footage of that. And then I think I'm going to head back to the car. Yeah, I think I've probably reached my limit here. So, anyways, it's awesome. Let's go check out this little pond here. Assuming we can get down close to it. Yeah, so I found a little shady spot to sit down and have a little rest, and of course have a couple of butter tarts. I ran into the butter tart lady at the market yesterday on Friday. It is only open on Fridays from 3 till 7, I think. And it's at the Beaver Lake Park where the train station is in Aaronsville. So that's cool. But right now I'm enjoying one of her tarts. And I'm sorry to say that the butter tart lady broke her ribs, or a couple of her ribs, the other day. So I hope you get better so you can make more butter tarts. So remember I said I wasn't worried about getting lost because there's the hydro lines, and how could you possibly lose sight of them? Well, just look behind me. You can't see hydro lines anywhere. Now, I know I have to go back that way because, you know, that's the way the ridges are running and that's the way I've been traveling. I'm sure if I go this way and a little bit that way, I will encounter the hydro cut again and I'll be fine. But yeah, don't count on obvious landmarks. And I do have the drone, of course. I can probably figure it out from there. Also, I can hear the highway. Okay, I'm not lost at all. I might not be lost, but the real question is, can I find a reasonable way back to the highway? Somewhat like how I got here. I do see the hydro lines now. I'm kind of heading down. See what happens. And I remembered to wear long pants this time and bring a first aid kit. These were smart things to do. I can see, so the clear cut is there for the hydro lines, and I can see rocks up ahead. Not that the presence of rocks is a particularly strong landmark. So can I just go? Yeah, this must be that little valley thing where I did the intro, because I remember it was really, really high. So instead of going up that way, I'll try to get down there. And again, just look for the down escalator. And off we go. Oh yeah. Oh. Last time I mentioned it was waist deep. This grass here, it's as tall as I am. Aha! First of all, hydro tower. Our friend, Mr. Electricity. Should I go over this cliff? No. We're gonna go this way. Down the escalator instead of the elevator shaft. Well, I'm almost back to the car, almost back to the highway. Just have one little bramble to go through. And so I thought I'd stop here and say thanks for joining me. Like the video if you liked it, and share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell for notifications. Hey, I remembered all that. And yeah, the Jack Pine Barrens Conservation Area, I think that's roughly what it's called. Very interesting, very rugged, not for the light light hiker, certainly. Not very far up this way anyway. Anyway, thanks for watching.